Hi everyone, I am Dr. Adhikari. I will be your instructor for Applied Statistics SK301 for this semester. It's my honor and privilege to serve you for this semester. I'm so glad that you decided to take this course. This course can be considered at the beginning of your journey in statistics. Upon successful completion of this course, you will have the fundamental skills necessary to summarize data, describe relationships among variables, and one sample, two samples, and three samples statistical inferences. More importantly, you will develop your critical thinking skills through the study of statistics by presenting arguments that are based on data, analyzing data, performing the appropriate inferential procedures, and by critiquing statistical arguments that have been made by others. There is no reason to think this course may be challenging if you work hard. A steady effort throughout the week would always be beneficial instead of cramming Sunday night. I believe that people learn statistics by doing, not by watching and listening. There are a lot of good sources of help for students in this class. Students are welcome during my office hours if they need help in this course. I'm always ready and happy to help you. I want you to succeed in this course. Once again, welcome and good luck for this new academic semester and in my class.